back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a very super easy and simple hairstyle. Okay, so natural hair doesn't have to be all boring. Meanwhile, it's your girl Amazon here. And of course, if you're just new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. And if you're a subby, I love you, baby girl. Okay, so when you're done watching this video, please do want to subscribe, hit the bell beside, and also give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave any comments you have in the comment section below. I'll link all the products I use in the description box. All right. So let's get started. Meanwhile, how do you love my makeup? Oh my god! Guys, I feel like a total makeup artist. Like, I feel like I should open a makeup studio now. You know what I'm saying? You know, like, and I'm gonna call it Amazon Glam. Oh, my cousin said Glam by Amazon. Baby girl, how the hell you see that name? Dope. I know, always dope. So I just love my makeup, you guys. So but let's get straight into the video already. Okay, I started off by doing this very quick section of my hair, and I'm going to show you guys how I did that in a very quick step. Okay, I just tried to make sure I time this video so we don't get bored. All right. Woo! Oh wow, it's not fully dried, but I don't have all the time in the world, you guys. I don't have all the time in the world to wait for this hair to dry, so I'm just gonna go straight and do what I'm supposed to do with this hair right away. So I have these extensions that I prepared last night, you guys. I did use a foaming mousse and oil sheen from my cousin's stuff. I didn't waste it because this, I feel like it became a bit softer, you guys. So maybe if you have extensions like this, and this is expression. Okay, expression Ceres, Ceres. I'll just write that down, okay, you guys. But this is really nice, so you guys go get it. Okay, you can use it for any kind of thing. I'm gonna be using it for. I'm supposed to be my cousin for it because I stole it, but it's okay. She doesn't know. So I'm just gonna use this at the back. You guys, let me show you what I did already. So. Ignore the parting, I did it myself. watching this video. See you in the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, and also hit the bell beside the subscribe button. Till next time, it's Amazon. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'll try to upload videos like every week, okay? Like I said, I will try. All right? Bye.